Yet another blow for Thales and Jacob Zuma. The pair failed to convince the Pietermaritzburg High Court that another court would grant their application to stop the prosecution of their arms deal corruption case. Thales argued that they won't get a fair trial because two key witnesses, former Thales directors in South Africa, Pietermaritzburg and Alain Sittard, have passed away. Judge Chili says he's not convinced that another court will differ from his holistic approach.
In my judgment, I found that the court best suited to decide whether the deaths of Messias Maino and Tetard has caused Mr. Zuma and Thales irredeemable or insurmountable trial prejudice is the trial court, whose duty it is to consider the impact of the non-availability of Messias Maino and Tetard in the light of all the evidence presented to court.
Judge Chili says the bar has been raised on the grounds for leave to appeal in a ruling handed down by the Supreme Court of Appeal last year.
It basically says previously, when the prospect of success, the bar was a bit low. So if even there's a slight chance that there are prospects that you're going to be successful in the next court, then I must grant you that leave to appeal. But this judgment then says, no, we're dealing with a real, based on facts or based on law, chances of making sure that you're going to succeed there. So it's not just merely making an allegation that another court will find in my favor. You also delve into details.
Meanwhile, judgment in the state's Stop Stalingrad application was reserved until April. The state wants Judge Chili to rule that the trial proceed regardless of any further applications or appeals by the defense. The state has argued that the 18-year delay in the case is harming the reputation of the administration of justice. I'm Nkosinathi Chili for SABC News in Pietermaritzburg.